welcome to the unboxing video of the SIII 1x7x24 rifle scope made by Sightron, manufacturer number 25001. It has a fast focus eye bell. It is all-weather construction. It does feature finger adjustable, resettable windage and elevation knobs. The magnification is a 1x7. Your objective diameter is a 24 millimeter. The eye relief is 3.9 to 4.8 inches. The reticle is illuminated German A4 reticle. Click value of 1 MRAD. The tube is a 30 millimeter tube. Your windage elevation travel is 100. It weighs 20.0 ounces. It comes in a matte black finish. The minutes per revolution are 18. It has a hunting style knob type. It does include lens covers. And it is waterproof, shockproof. We're going to open it up and take a look at it. This is how it comes packaged in the box. It is also a nitrogen-filled tube. It comes with your battery for your illuminated reticle. It comes with a lens cleaning cloth. It also comes with your manufacturer instruction manual. There's your lens covers, which are your flip-up style. Again, your knobs are a hunting type knob. And your reticle is actually a illuminated German 4A reticle. Again, it is a nitrogen 30 millimeter tube, nitrogen filled 30 millimeter tube. And again, this has been the unboxing video for your SIII 1x7x24 rifle scope made by Sightron, manufacturer number 25001.